Today I want to give you a overview of Azure Sentinel workflow. So when you are setting up an Azure Sentinel environment for your company, it can seem overwhelming at first. Um, with so many options, when you log on to the Azure portal, you see so many features, configurations. It might feel unclear where to start or how all the components connect. In this video, I just want to guide you through the process step by step. So first thing first, you want to create a workspace. Um, think of the workspace as a placeholder or foundation for your Sentinel setup. Once that's done, you will create Sentinel itself right here, which sits atop the workspace. Here's the best part. You won't need to worry about creating a separate storage account for Sentinel. That's because the workspace has its own built-in database to store your logs, alerts, and incidents. With these basics in place, your Azure environment is ready. What's next? So the next step you want to do is to connect your log sources to Sentinel. To make Sentinel useful, you need to connect your log sources to Azure, right? So this includes logs from your on-prem infrastructure, such as servers, switches, routers, firewalls, and so on. There are several methods to establish connectivity. So here you can use VPN tunnels, express routes, SSLs, or even APIs. So choose what works best for your infrastructure. Um, and then once you have the basic connectivity, you want to enabling the data ingestion. Um, when you do that, the Azure Sentinel uses data connectors to make that happen. Think of these connectors as bridges that bring data into Sentinel. Azure supports a wide range of vendors and integrations via its Content Hub. So for example, here you can use Ceph via AMA, Microsoft Defender, Palo Alto integrations, or eStreamer for firepower FMC. Um, and then the step number 4 is to create alerts and incidents. So now that the logs are flowing into Sentinel, you want to generate alerts, right? So this is done by creating rules under monitor. You can also set up action groups for notifications when alerts are triggered. But ultimately, our goal is to manage incidents effectively, which you can achieve by using analytic rules under Sentinel. Step number 5, automating with playbooks. So once incidents are identified, it's time to automate their handling using playbooks. In Azure, playbooks are powered by logic apps, which streamline workflows and responses to incidents. So keep in mind that while all playbooks are logic apps, but not all logic apps are playbooks. Logic apps can also be used for general purpose business process automation. So this workflow gives you a structured way to approach Azure Sentinel from setup to automation.